Yes, and they're growing up cicadas. So, here's my question. Is this how they look after they shed their exoskeleton or before?
I think after maybe.
So then they go to the top, and that's when they start screeching. They say on the trees, and it's only the males that do it.
When they reach the top.
It's all the way up. Are you going to climb?
Well, they're just all over this oak tree.
That one's moving fast. But look up above you if you don't want to get freaked out. Oh, he's in a sprint. No, this one has his wings out.
Oh my, they're just all over this tree.
I know, look over here.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Oh my God, look.
What?
I wonder if they prefer a north side or a south side.
I just think they like this oak tree.
I think after they shed this, then they become bright. Is that what you said?
What just fell on me?